Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove Woocommerce icon from the navigation menu. Let's begin. Now, once you are here, removing the cart icon can declutter your navigation menu, providing a cleaner and more focused browsing experience for users. Now, say for example, you may have a custom design or layout that doesn't require the cart icon in the navigation menu. Removing it allows you to tailor the menu to better suit your website's aesthetic and functionality. On mobile devices, space is limited and every element in the navigation menu counts. So basically, removing the cart icon can free up space for other important menu items, improving mobile usability. And not only that, your branding or user experience strategy may prioritize certain elements over the others in the navigation menu. Now, I believe removing the cart icon could be part of a broader effort to optimize the menu for your specific goals and audience. Now, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and then go to Appearance. Now, if you have a different interface, you might have the option to customize this one. But in my case, I don't. So what I need to do is go to Editor. Now click on Editor, and what will happen is you will be directed to a new page right here. And as you can see, you can customize the appearance of your website using the block editor. Now go to the edit option. And for you to be able to have the edit option, click on the pencil icon here, click on it, and click on edit. Right now, you need to go to the cart section, cart icon menu. Say, for example, this is going to be the cart option. There should be an option here. Now, just click on the cart icon right here, and you should see that option here that says cart. All I'm gonna do is just remove the option, and basically this one's gonna be removed after that. It's a straightforward process and it's a very easy. Now what will happen is, say for example, you have the cart icon displayed in the prominent part of elsewhere in your website, example in the header or sidebar. Having it in the navigation menu might be redundant and unnecessary, so that's why removing your cart icon menu is a good thing. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.